one stolen moment from the worldly cares, one wanton thought, one lone unhurried cruise, one sensuous smile that beckons and ensnares and lingers bound, like on some bleeding roots, is dearer than all wealth and all the repute, which labored effort wins and men possess, indulge in ostentations and compute the cost with genuine pride. Nevertheless, they find that all this ruthless drive has failed to satisfy some vague but restless need. One whispering malady which goes unhealed is irreparable loss to us indeed. One longing kiss that lessens stress and strain is pregnant with more pleasure than all pain.
Okay. This is Rosary of Sonnets 35, topic method, and the category is life. Some method is essential for success and meaningful and organized work. The scattered and disorganized mess which life is made of often goes berserk, and we all quietly take it in our stride to destinations unspecified. In justification, look at scattered stars or wobbling poisonous planet that is Mars, and listen to the sages with mistrust who tell us with its stars, planets, suns, the universe with certain method runs. Some method in this madness is a must. The nesting bard, the bee in the beehives, with certain method toils and survives.
So this is Rosary of Sonnet 12, category is family, and the topic is my daughters. Three fairies while asleep, while awake. Three restless souls, these my daughters are. And when engrossed in writing for my sake, they hold their restless questionings and bar. Their hushed breathing, every sound is stilled, and when I lift my head or leave my pen, the muted silence is so quickly killed that cacophony breaks out there and then. They query what I wrote, what about, and ask the meanings of the words. These fair extensions of my soul, no doubt, are like the fluttering, singing, chirping birds. I answer them and wonder that one day they would their youth attain and go on.
Hi, we are here today to do a rosary of sonnets by Kunwar Viyogi on his 4th death anniversary. So we are here for a poetry reading session. We start with the full-throated song. How sad but true that unless grief is told, unnoticed, hidden in the heart remains, and unless man is vocal, open, bold, it feeds upon its vitals, daily gains. Such strange hold on mortals young and old, so says Viyogi, and this slimy fiend enfeebles, sucks blood and leaves behind a shell, but still it keeps the strange hold. So beat the drum of grief, oh, loudly beat. In forceful tones, embark upon the world and let its soaring fly along the breeze, and tell its woes once and then repeat. And always keep your flag of pain unfurled. No peace, Viyogi, in the silence seas.